Midwest Industrial Products Corporation, also known as MIPCO, is a small American company located in Cleveland, Ohio. We are a manufacturer, packager, and private label distributor of 100% solids epoxy flooring repair and resurfacing materials for industrial, commercial, and food-grade use. We've had USDA food-grade approval on multiple products since the 80s. We are well aware of your drop ship and labeling needs with over 45 years of experience in drop shipping for our customers. Our products have been established successes in the building and ground repair industry for over 75 years. Over those 75 years, we have produced and shipped over 1 million pails and have had thousands of satisfied repeat customers. Our mission statement is to supply the finest and most consistent repair materials possible with unbeatable quality, service, and competitive pricing. Our products are time-tested and are made from consistent quality materials. If you have an ongoing project and would like to trial our product, visit MIPCO.org and fill out the free sample request form. Now let's take a look at a few of our products. Arcticrete is a special formulation of 100% solids epoxy that is made specifically for patching freezer floors. This product is USDA approved and can be used in freezers down to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Arcticrete will set for light traffic in 2 hours at these temperatures. Acidcrete is a heavy-duty industrial floor patch and resurface that has the chemical resistance and toughness to stand up to rough conditions for many years. Acidcrete hardens quickly, so your downtime is minimal. The typical Acidcrete floor can be put back into service after a short overnight cure. Zipcrete. If you need a resurface for worn and spalled concrete that can withstand heavy truck traffic and corrosive spillages without chipping and wearing away, then this product is for you. With its resin-rich and self-leveling system, it will bond with miraculous strength. It soaks into the pores of the concrete and holds tight despite heavy traffic and temperature variations. Coolercrete is a 100% solids epoxy mortar that was designed specifically for cold storage areas in the food processing industry. This product has a USDA approval. Coolercrete has the ability to set quickly in cold processing areas where the temperatures are as cold as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. All repairs are traffic serviceable in an overnight cure. Epoxycrete is a specifically formulated 3-component 100% solids epoxy system that can be used almost anywhere with fantastic results. Because it's a resin-rich system, it will bond with miraculous strength. This product is also USDA approved. It soaks into the pores of concrete and holds tight despite changes in temperature, constant impact, and heavy abrasion. Even feathered edges stay in place. Fast Rock bonds like glue to most prepared surfaces. This product is also USDA approved. It can be used to patch holes, cracks, expansion joints, or spalled concrete. It's very easy to trowel even by the most inexperienced crew. When you use Fast Rock, your downtime will be minimal because it sets traffic ready in just 2 hours with no prime involved. Road Patch 202 High Performance Patch Zero VOC is a ready-to-use, premixed asphalt-based patching material for repairing potholes in asphalt or cement. This is a unique high-performance repair material that is far superior to common cold patch mixes. No heating or mixing is required prior to the application. Our Road Patch 202 is pliable and easy to use even in -20 degree temperatures. Proprietary mixtures have been added so it will adhere to wet surfaces as tenaciously as it does to dry surfaces. This adhesive strength allows it to stick together without raveling like common cold mixes do. Over 10 million bags of Road Patch have been sold. Now let's take a look at a few applications. Whether you use our products or our competitors, make sure the area is clean and dry prior to application. Application steps for Epoxycrete. The first step is to homogeneously blend Part A and Part B in the pails supplied for approximately 30 seconds. Once that step is completed, slowly add the aggregate and blend 30 to 60 seconds until desired consistency is reached. The final step is to pour the epoxy onto the prepared area and spread with a trowel. For epoxicrete applications, please allow 12 hours for the application to cure. Application steps for Zipcrete. The first step is to homogeneously blend part A and part B in the pails supplied for approximately 30 seconds. Once that step is completed, slowly add the aggregate and blend 30 to 60 seconds until desired consistency is reached. The final step is to pour the epoxy onto the prepared area and spread with a notched squeegee or notched trowel. For Zipcrete applications, please allow 12 hours for the application to cure. Road Patch 202. First, sweep out all the standing water and loose debris from the hole. Apply Road Patch as it comes from the drum. Tamp it in place or roll it with a car. That's all there is to it. Actually, the more traffic that runs over the road patch, the tougher it becomes. Thank you for visiting and checking out our products. For more information, please go to MIPCO.org or call us at 216-341-8019.